Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL TAB 8 LE for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new tablet for Metro. It's available now for $49.99, currently on sale, 68% off. The full retail price is $159.99. So this is a budget tablet, so keep that in mind. Also, the TCL TAB 8 LE is also available at T-Mobile as well. So I guess Metro got theirs the same day T-Mobile got theirs. So yeah, it's available now in a shadow gray color, 32 gigabytes of storage, and like I said, it's on sale 68% off. For retail price $159.99. So you're saving $110 on this tablet here. So yeah, so y'all guys got front of the tablet. Y'all guys got your front facing camera somewhere up here. Your lock screen there with your colorful wallpaper, very nice looking clock. There, I am a big fan of that. Power button volume keys on the right side of the device there. The left side's there. I don't know if there's anything on the left side or not. It's kind of hard to tell. On the back of the TCL TAB 8 LE is your single rear camera, TCL logo, and that is it. There is no camera flash and nothing like that. There's the right side of the device. Like I said, power button and volume keys there. So key features on the TCL TAB 8 LE is your ultra compact design, 8-inch HD display, comfort mode, amplified dual speakers, up to 2 GHz quad core processor and 3 GB of RAM, up to 32 GB of internal memory, expandable up to 512 GB of micro SD card, which you will have to get your own micro SD card if you guys don't have one. It has a 4080 mAh battery, runs Android 12, and you get 4G connectivity on this device here. So you guys will need a tablet plan for this thing to work on Metro. And I also think that you guys also need a phone line as well. So same thing with the T-Mobile version. You guys need a phone line and a tablet line, a phone line and a tablet plan. So keep that in mind. All right. The TCL TAB 8 LE pairs performance and style in an ultra compact lightweight design powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor, large battery, and featuring dual speakers, giving you crisp, clear sound. On the spacious 8-inch HD display with eye comfort mode, you can stream, play, and work for hours without worry of visual fatigue. Capture beautiful photos and HD videos with the 5-megapixel rear camera, and use the 5-megapixel front camera to take great selfies or video calls with friends and family. With a 4080 mAh battery capacity, the battery can keep up with your full day. The sleek and stylish TCL TAB 8 LE can go with you anywhere thanks to its compact size and 4G LTE connectivity. So that is nice. So like I said, you guys need a phone line, and you guys also need a tablet plan for this thing to work. Specs: 4080 mAh battery. It has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see, and Type-C charging port. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and an AC, Bluetooth. I'm gonna say Bluetooth 5.0. You can use Wi-Fi on this tablet as well, so that's good. It has a MediaTek processor, MT8766 processor, Android 12. 3 GB of RAM, micro SD card expansion up to 512 GB, 4G LTE, some supported email clients there, wireless emergency alerts. It does not have that because this is not a phone. It does have mobile hotspot, which is interesting. The TCL TAB 8 LE weighs 10.93 ounces. The depth of the tablet is 0.35 inches. The height of the tablet is 7.76 inches. The width, 4.91 inches, right? So what comes in your box is your TCL TAB 8 LE tablet, of course. Your charger, Type-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, and your SIM ejection tool. So pretty standard stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking to get a budget tablet on Metro, the TCL TAB 8 LE is worth taking a look at here. It's available now for $49.99, currently on sale Full retail price $159.99. So this is a budget tablet. So keep that in mind. So this is like media consumption and stuff like that. So there you go. You guys will need a phone line and a tablet line, plan for this thing to work. You will have 4G connection on this thing, but you can use Wi-Fi as well if you guys ever need that. So it's pretty cool there. So there you guys have it. TCL TAB 8 LE now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.